Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita 5377 Magnesium Hypoid Saw. Unleash ultimate cutting power with the Makita 5377 mg worm drive circular saw, designed for professionals and serious DIYers who demand precision and reliability. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor and spinning at 4,500 revolutions per minute, this corded saw effortlessly slices through thick, pressure-treated lumber, sanded plywood, and even tough demo materials. Its 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade ensures clean, smooth cuts every time. Built with lightweight magnesium components, including the motor housing, the 5,377 mg weighs just 13.2 pounds, making it easier to handle than traditional worm drive saws without sacrificing power. The innovative sealed, oil-lubricated worm drive gears are continuously bathed in lubrication by a built-in fan, reducing maintenance and dramatically extending the lifespan of your tool. No messy oil changes required. Operator comfort and precision are priorities. The saw's ergonomic handle and spacious trigger area offer excellent control, while the clear blade line visibility ensures accurate, straight cuts even on large boards. From framing and decking to trench cuts or bathroom subfloor demolition, the 5,377 mg handles it all with efficiency and reliability. Whether you're a professional contractor tackling heavy-duty jobs or a DIY enthusiast seeking a top-tier saw, the Makita 5,377 mg delivers unmatched power, durability, and performance. Trust it to make every cut faster, smoother, and easier every single time. Number 2. Skil 15-amp corded circular saw. Discover dependable performance at an affordable price with the Skil 5280 to 2001 7¼ corded circular saw. Designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, this saw combines power, precision, and comfort in a lightweight package. Featuring a 15-amp motor and spinning at 5,300 revolutions per minute, it delivers impressive torque, making quick work of both crosscuts and rip cuts in a variety of lumber, including thick and pressure-treated boards. Weighing just 8.8 pounds, the 5280 to 2001 is easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its ergonomically designed handle and well-balanced body provide excellent control, while the adjustable cutting depth allows for precise, customized cuts. The saw's shoe remains perfectly parallel to the blade, ensuring straight, accurate results every time. Safety and usability are built in. A bright power indicator light signals when the saw is on, giving you added peace of mind on the job. The 7¼ inch, 24-tooth framing blade glides through wood with minimal resistance, allowing for smooth, clean cuts without bogging down the motor. Whether you're tackling a home improvement project, building furniture, or handling framing and decking tasks, the Skil 5280 to 2001 circular saw provides reliable performance, easy handling, and exceptional value. It's a lightweight, powerful, and accurate tool that makes every cut easier, faster, and safer, perfect for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. Number 3. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. Experience professional-grade cutting with the Bosch GKS 18V 25 GCB 1418V Cordless Circular Saw, engineered for accuracy, power, and versatility. Featuring a 7/1/4-inch, 24-tooth framing blade and a high-capacity 8Ah battery, this saw delivers smooth, precise cuts while weighing just 11.6 pounds, 9.5 pounds for the saw and 2.1 pounds for the battery. Its lightweight, well-balanced design ensures effortless maneuverability, making it ideal for extended job site use. The GKS 18V 25 GCB 14 shines in precision cutting thanks to its aluminum accessory track, sold separately, which allows table saw accurate rip and crosscuts on plywood, lumber, and sheet materials. The saw's thumb latch depth adjustment makes setting and fine-tuning the shoe fast and intuitive, giving you full control over blade exposure and cutting depth. Versatility is built in. The Eco setting conserves battery life for light-duty cuts, while 6-speed settings handle everything from thin plywood to construction-grade lumber. A built-in battery life indicator keeps you informed, so you'll never be caught mid-cut without power. Designed for both professionals and serious DIYers, this Bosch cordless saw combines power, precision, and convenience in a single tool. From framing and decking to cutting sheet goods with table saw accuracy, the GKS18V25 GCB14 is the ultimate choice for clean, efficient, and reliable performance on every project. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Circular Saw. Take your cutting power to the next level with the DEWALT DCS590 Cordless Circular Saw, designed for professionals and serious DIYers who demand performance and versatility. This saw runs on a standard 20V max battery or the dual voltage 20/60V FlexVolt battery, sold separately, delivering unmatched runtime and cutting power for tough jobs. With a 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade and a cutting depth of 2 9/16 inches, it effortlessly slices through 2x4s, plywood, and construction lumber with smooth, precise cuts. Weighing just 8.2 pounds plus battery, this saw is surprisingly nimble for a high-power cordless model. Ergonomic handle design and rubber grips provide excellent control and comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. The built-in electronic blade brake quickly stops the blade after the trigger is released, enhancing safety on the job site. Performance meets convenience. Whether making repeated cuts on thick lumber or handling detailed framing work, the DCS590 delivers consistent power and accuracy without the restrictions of a cord. Its lightweight design and cordless flexibility allow you to move freely, tackle tight spaces, and maintain maximum efficiency. For contractors, woodworkers, and serious DIYers seeking a cordless saw that doesn't compromise on power, the DEWALT DCS590 is an ideal choice. It combines top-tier performance, smooth cutting, and reliable safety features to make every job faster, cleaner, and more professional. Number 5. Makita 5007mg Circular Saw. Upgrade your workshop with the Makita 5007mg 7 1/4 inch corded circular saw, engineered for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand power, precision, and reliability. With a 15-amp motor spinning at 5,800 revolutions per minute, this saw effortlessly cuts through any lumber, including thick pressure-treated boards and framing materials. The 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade ensures smooth, clean cuts every time, making it ideal for construction, remodeling, or woodworking projects. Designed for comfort and efficiency, the 5007mg features a lightweight magnesium construction, reducing hand and arm fatigue without compromising durability. Two onboard LED lights illuminate your cutting line for improved visibility, while the duct dust blower keeps debris away, ensuring accurate, uninterrupted cuts. As a corded circular saw, it provides consistent, reliable power for heavy-duty tasks, eliminating concerns about battery life during extended use. While you trade some portability compared to cordless models, the stability and constant power make it an invaluable tool for your workshop. With ergonomic handle design, precise blade alignment, and robust construction, the Makita 5007mg is built to last for years of reliable performance. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIYer, this saw offers the perfect combination of power, accuracy, and convenience, making it a must-have addition to your toolkit.